Greetings traders, Jason here with swinghigh.com. It is Tuesday, October 27th, 2009, and this is your post-market analysis. For the most part, the markets were flat today. We saw the Dow up 0.14%, the NASDAQ down 1.2%, we'll look into that, and the S&P down 0.33%. Remember, the NASDAQ is often a leading indicator, so we will have to take note of the fact that that was relatively weak today. Real quick, let's go to Yahoo Finance. Here we are at Yahoo Finance, and they're saying that stocks mostly slide on mixed data, and IBM lifts the Dow. Doesn't look like there's any indication as to why the NASDAQ was weak, so it doesn't seem to be news-based, which gives more support to the bear case that we should see more downside from here. Let's look at the market internals. Here's the VIX. The VIX was up nicely at 2%, definitely confirming a move down today. We are under the 25 mark, but almost there. 24.83 is where it stands right now after hours. It has been on a bullish tear lately. As you can see here, the VIX was at 20 last Wednesday, and now we're approaching 25, so definitely some bullish or bearish action in the VIX, excuse me. The Trin was bearish for the most part today, but not nearly as bearish as yesterday or the day before. This morning we saw a good spike up and then went flat or neutral for a little while. Saw another spike up later in the day and finished about neutral on the Trin. Between 1.2 and 1 is neutral. Let's take a look here at the tick. Mostly bearish today, but also rather neutral. For the most part, the markets did trade sideways today, so that is kind of expected. Here we have a daily chart of SPY, the S&P 500 tracking ETF. As you can see, we made a lower high and a lower low today. Earlier in the day, I was thinking that we might make a doji here, or even a bullish divergent bar, which could have indicated that a bottom of this swing low, or a new swing low, excuse me, which would have been bullish, but we are seeing continuation to the downside here, and I might be adding to SPXU in after hours here. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Our next major support area is the 104 area. After that we have 102. Expect some minor support in the 106 area. Let's also look here at the Dow. The Dow had a doji, did make a lower low, but barely. So that could be a reversal pattern or a swing low in the Dow. NASDAQ, as I mentioned, was relatively weak today, which is a bearish sign. Definitely some continuation to the downside there. Expect significant support at the 2040 area on the NASDAQ. If we break below that, that's going to be very, very bearish. In general, I want to draw attention to the pickup in volume in the past couple of weeks, or the past week, I'm sorry, and notice how the big volume bars over the past month or so have all been red. That's definitely some conviction to the downside there, and I would not be surprised if we have put in our tops for the high. Thanks for being a part of swinghigh.com. Check back tomorrow, and I'll talk to you later.